Welcome to interview questions on statistics. So today's question, we're going to look at what is statistics. So first of all, when it comes to statistics, the most important point is it is a important field of mathematics. It is an important field of mathematics. So obviously, statistics forms an important part of your mathematics in general, and it deals with certain important concepts when it comes to mathematics. So it has few steps, or we could call it as few branches or few areas where statistics could be useful. So one of them is collection of data. Then we have uh, organization of data. So how the data is being organized once we get the data, and then some sort of analysis on the data. So we have collection, organization, analysis, then interpretation, and then at the end we have presentation. So these are a couple of things that will be performed in statistics when it comes to this field. And collection of data can be done by any means, by an experiment or some sort of survey, in order to collect the data. And organizing the data is nothing but the way how we store the data. So it could be database, or it can be cloud, or anything. So it just deals with how we store the data which we are getting after performing some sort of experiment or survey. And then analysis on data, this is generally mainly if we require to make some sort of decisions or some sort of inferences we are trying to take. So analysis on the data we can be done using by visualizing the data, by using some plots, graphs. So using this, we can perform some sort of analysis on the data, or we can also do a hypothesis testing. To test an inference or to test a theory on that data. So this all form a part of your analysis of the data. And interpretation mainly deals with some sort of predictions. So some prediction on the population, using a sample. So obviously when we get the data, it's a huge data. So instead of in order to get some prediction on that whole population, we use a sample of small part of the data, and we perform some sort of analysis on that sample in order to get some idea about the whole population. And then presentation is nothing but it's almost the same as kind of like your analysis on data, where we present the data in form of plots, then graphs and charts, etc. So these are all form part of your statistics.